Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to fix missing apps on Samsung Galaxy A06. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Galaxy phone and head over to the Google Play Store app. In the search bar, type the name of the app you're missing, for example, the Google Chrome browser, and search for it. If the app appears in the search results, this means it's already installed on your phone but may be hidden or disabled. Don't worry, we'll bring it back in a few easy steps. Step 2. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel and tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down and find the home screen option, then tap it to open the settings related to your home screen. Step 4. Scroll again and look for the Hide Apps on Home and App Screens option. Tap it. If you see your missing app here, for example, Google Chrome, tap the minus icon next to it and then tap Done. This will immediately make the app visible again in your app drawer. Step 5. If you don't find the app in the hidden list, it may be disabled. Go back to the main settings page and scroll down to Apps, then tap to open it. Step 6. Use the search bar at the top to type your app's name, again, Google Chrome, and select it from the list. Step 7. Scroll down to find the Enable option at the bottom of the app info page. Tap Enable and confirm. Your app will now automatically reappear in your app drawer, fully functional and ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.